This video is for all you guys and gals that may be doing valet services at some of the high-end casinos in Las Vegas or any of the other high-end hotels that are stretched out across the United States. Check out how we can actually reach into the car and grab the keys off the dashboard with one of our 60-inch formable grabbers. You need to tell your supervisor, hey, we really need a pack of these tools because this is going to save us time and money calling somebody else to unlock the cars, and we don't have to worry about damaging our clients' cars. Check it out. This is for all the guys that do valets. Keys are sitting here in the dash of this car. What our tool allows you to do, allows you to get in, grab the keys off of the dash, set the keys down in the seat here, then you can push the unlock button, damage free, don't tear anything up. Straighten your tool back out if you want to, fold it up, put it back in your truck, ride again. It saves time, and time is money. As you can see with that one little sample video right there where the valet accidentally locked the keys in the dash in the car, I saw that myself. It actually happened. Well, you need to tell your supervisor, you need to tell your boss, hey man, we need to get a pack of these tools so we can unlock the cars and everything if one of us makes a mistake, because we're not going to damage it, we're not going to tear the car up, because the normal tools on the market right now will not do that. You cannot grab the keys off the dash, you cannot grab the keys out of the center console, and you definitely cannot get them out of the floorboard of the car. Check us out, formablegrabber.com. Thank you so much.